Hi everyone, this is Lisa with Fuchsia Dolls and thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to create a FofuBear pen. Yes, you've heard right, FofuBear. This pen, it is very simple and I try to make it as easy as possible for you to learn. So for supplies, you're going to need a 1.5 inch polystyrene ball, 3 circle wooden template, 2mm foam sheets, scissors, iron, fabric, hot glue, embellishments of your choice, white acrylic paint, toothpick, pen, black paint marker, chalk pastel pink, ribbon tool, needle, and thread. The first step would be to warm up a piece of foam sheet. Now you could pick any color you want. I'm using brown, but you can make a white bear, a pink bear, just any color bear. So go ahead and iron the piece of foam sheet. Make sure your iron is in a cotton setting and put a piece of fabric over to protect your foam sheet. You're going to gently press over with your 3 circle template. If you don't have a 3 circle template, you just find a support for the ball and run down the foam sheet. Now I'm going to glue around the edge. I already cut my foam sheet down, trim the entire edge, and just glue it onto the polystyrene ball. You will repeat the same process with the bottom half. And now you have the head of the bear. Next, I found this piece of tulle ribbon in my craft closet. So I just, with a piece of thread and needle, I'm just going to sew it all together. And this will be the dress of the bear. Of course, the little gap in the bottom will help me insert the pen. I created a little hole in the bottom of the polystyrene foam ball so the pen can fit in. Now we're going to cover the head with like a headband. So cut a pink strip foam sheet. Make it nice and hot and you will wrap it around the head of the bear. Now you will start to glue with some hot glue. Don't forget to not glue around that opening on the bottom of the pen. You want that to be free. So just glue it around onto the head of the bear. Cut off the excess, and now we're going to create the actual bow. Just cut a strip of pink foam sheet, more like a rectangular, tall rectangular shape. Pinch it in the center, and there's your bow. Cut a little strip in for the center, just glue it, and you're all set. Here are some cutouts I did. These are all freehand. This bear does not have a template. It was all freehand. So I cut a little mouth and arms, and the nose is from a hole puncher. Now to add dimension to the arms, you will iron the top part of the arm, and then the hand, you will face it onto the iron and it will start to curve, and that will give it the dimension for the arms and the hands. It won't be such a flat piece onto the bear, but again, that is your choice. I'm just showing you what else you can do. I glue the snout or mouthpiece onto the bear, and then I'm going to glue the nose, wipe off any excess, and here we go. We have the nose all ready. And now I'm going to glue the actual bow onto the hairpiece. The arms, just put a little bit of glue on the top edge and place it under the hairpiece part, or towards, the center of the pen. I'm leaving the pen on the bear because you want to make sure that that pen is reusable. You can attach it and detach it. So basically we're making a bear pen topper that is actually reusable. So once the pen goes out, you can put it on another pen. So now you're going to glue the tool part of it. I'm still leaving the pen on there for guidance. Do not, of course, put glue on the pen. You will put glue around it, and then you would gently slip up the tool onto the bear. See, the pen comes completely off, which is great, and the bear is fully assembled. Now to rub on the chalk pastel, I am using a Q-tip, so just gently rub on the cheeks for a pink and rosy look. And then the next step, I'm just going to use white acrylic paint to paint some dots onto the cheek. But first you could paint the eyes with a circle template. I'm using a Posca black paint pen, and this little circle template just gives me a guide to line the eyes onto the nose and fill in the eyes as you like. And now I'm going to do the little dots onto the cheek. You could also put dots on the eyes. I wanted to just keep this bear simple, but that's also another option. And here I added embellishments. I had some buttons and a pretty little pearl necklace for this bear, so I glued it on. I did have to glue on the necklace onto the arm a bit because it kept falling off, but there's an idea for you as well. And I almost forgot, I had to add ears, so I just cut 2 little circles, and the bottom half I cut a little bit off. And with super tight instant glue, I was able to glue the ears onto the hair part of the bear. So pretty much this bear is all freehand. Like I said, I have no templates, but it gives you a great idea to create a bear of your own. You could create a bride bear, make it all white, like I said, or you could just make it all pink, all yellow, or whatever bear you would like. It is very simple, and you don't need to create a body just because you have the tool, or you could actually try with fabric. And here is my finished bear. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. Well, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and share. And again, thank you for spending your time with me. Don't forget to visit my Etsy shop. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, if you're interested in super tight adhesives, visit the link in my description box, and there is a 15% coupon code so you can save some money. It is an affiliate link. Well, thank you again. Until next time, and God bless. Bye-bye.